Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be in front of you this morning. My name is William Whitehurst, proud principal of L.W. Conner Elementary School. And again, I just want to take the time to congratulate our students on a job well done. Congratulate your parents for getting them there. Faculty, staff, administration of Conner Elementary School, thank you for the hard work that you put in this year to make this day possible. Our program this morning will be outlined and led by our very own assistant principal, Sarah Hayes. So let's give her a round of applause as she...
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. We will start off by having our welcome by Mr. Thaddeus Jefferson.
On behalf of all of my classmates, thank you for your love and support. We could have not done this without you. Next, we would like to thank our wonderful administration team, teachers and staff members who have guided us and encouraged us throughout our years at Conner. Whether we have been here for 1 year or since pre-K, you have truly made our experience special. We are so grateful for everything you have done for us. Thank you for being patient with us, believing in us, and making school a fun, safe place to learn. Even though we are starting middle school, we will always remember the memories and lessons we learned here at Conner. Today is a celebration of all the hard work and how much we have grown. Thank you again for being here with us today, and we hope you enjoy the ceremony.
Wonderful welcome. We will now have the Pledge of Allegiance by Ashley Funn and Miranda Gannon.
You may now stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Thank you, Miranda and Ashton. We will now hear from a few Conner stars who will share their Conner experiences with you. First, we will hear from Mr. Matthew Guzman Arias.
One of our teachers was never really able to go to CPA across the field distinction, and moving to our application more accomplishments. Comedy also brought me great friendships. Our dress, Amelie, Freddie, Camille, Kylie, and Audrey. Every day in the atmosphere, you just spread about good me and many other people. The memories that people brought me great experiences, like my favorite experience is getting to reunite with friends after summer break. Days that was just labor because they make things fun on a bad day. Lastly, I want to thank my teachers like Ms. A, Ms. Mix, Dr. Tutler, and Ms. Moore, who gave me the best learning experience and made learning easy and fun. I am forever thankful for the support opportunities they gave me. All my love, my beautiful artists.
Thank you for those beautiful words, Matthew. Sounds like you had a wonderful experience here at Conner. Now we will hear from Ms. Amelie Solis Torres.
surrounded by people speaking on some of the Jewish. Fortunately, I was just looking for a minute on this who helped me learn. In kindergarten, I was seeing girls who belonged to them, except for two girls, Samaya and Sophia Robertson. Now we are best friends. First grade was the year I really started to get into school. I had become a session couple which led me to meet Sophia Acosta. I also became friends with Bobby Myers and Linda. In third grade, Miss Griffin was so kind and patient with all of the students, even on the party line. I also made great friends like Justin, Philip, and Ollie. In fourth grade, I was on a field trip to Oklahoma. I was able to be creative and participate in hands-on activities. I also got to make a special memory with my dad and one of my favorite teachers, Miss Moore. At the beginning of fifth grade, I was nervous. I could always have great classes when I did not know what to expect. Miss Long made me feel better and helped me believe that I could do it. Now I'm confident in my abilities and ready to work with you. By the time I'm confident in my abilities, I have so many things that I want to do. I have also been part of many club and activities such as skateboards, data club, investors, and course. Through these experiences, I have grown confidence in making lifelong friends. I will always be thankful for the memories I have made before. Thank you.
Thank you, Emily, for highlighting some of the wonderful things we have here at Concord. Next, we will have the presentation of certificates and some awards. Students, when I call your name, please stand and remain standing until all names have been called. The first award that I would like to highlight is the Presidential Award. So with the Presidential Award, there are two categories. The first one we're going to talk about is the Gold Award. Students who receive the Gold Award is an award of educational excellence. These students had to meet the following criteria. Their grade point average had to be an A or higher, a 90 or higher, so all A's, in ELA, Math, Science, and Social Studies for all 4 quarters of last school year and this school year. So that's work. This award recognizes academic success in the classroom and high achievement in reading or math on state tests or nationally normed tests. And for us, we look at the math test. So the fall reading or math test must have been in the 95th percentile or higher this school year. So these are the students who will be awarded the Educational Excellence Gold Presidential Award. Boys and girls, when I call your name, you stand and remain standing. Freddie Barligo Portillo. Matthew Arias. Andres Salinas Solis. Aubrey Carson. Cameron Jones. Harvey Knight. Camila Moncada. Amira Meyer. Sophia Robertson. Nathan Sedella. Ella Davis. Janaya Pearson. Jordan Paul. Janice Jefferson. And Emily Solis Torres. Congratulations to those boys and girls for earning the gold education. What's going and not receiving? The next award that I would like to highlight is also a Presidential Award. This award recognizes students who show outstanding educational growth in the classroom. This award is meant to encourage and reward those students who work hard and give their best efforts in school despite challenges or needs for a little extra support. These students will be awarded the Silver Educational Achievement Presidential Award. Boys and girls, when I call your name, please stand. Jonathan Ingram. Chase Jordan. Jeremy Longhorn. Samaya McFadden. Clausen. Marion Mason. Jalen Sanchez Olvera. Jada Flores. Guinevere Virgo. Kylie Tucker. Tiana Sabb. Anthony Archie. Jamel White Jr. Gabrielle Harmon. Lady Mejia De Leon. Melanie Cecil Tomas. Ashton Hunt. Jolea Samuel. Carter Taylor. Sophia Acosta Castillo. Diego Tejeda. And Connie Slater. Congratulations to those boys and girls who cannot be seated. At Ponder, you know that we are an arts magnet school, so a lot of our students participate in programs that involve the arts. So we would like to recognize our fifth graders who are members of performing arts groups. Boys and girls, and call your name, you stand and remain standing. Audience, please, there are a lot of names, so please hold your applause until the very end. In our strings orchestra ensemble, we have Earl Davis, Collins, Dominguez, Velasquez, Janiyah Henderson, Thaddeus Jefferson, Don Neal, Diego Tejeda, Braden Caesar, Dylan Felipe Ajanel, Ashton Fun, Camila Mancada, Amira Myers, Kylie Tucker, Justin Cardoza Caballero, Freddie Barriga Portillo, Samuel Clausen, Matthew Usman Arias, Chase Jordan, Samaya McFadden, Audrey Carson, Aldrin Galvez Lopez, Jeremiah Busey, Bain Hernandez Lobo, and Guinevere Virgo. Give our orchestra players. Dance Company. We have Don Neal, Bella Davis, Kylie Tucker, Jordan Hall. Let's do our Conner Dance Company. Boys and girls, you may be seated. In our steel drum band, we have Jalen Sanchez Olvera, Jeremiah Busey, Miranda Cannon, Andreas Salinas Solis, Amelie Solis Torres, Jamel White Jr., Ashton Fun, and Jonathan Ingram. Let's hear our students. Boys and girls, you may be seated. In our Conner choir, we have Santiago Montes Arando, Chase Jordan, Melanie Cintos Tomas, Jolea Samuel, Nathan Sadala, Iana Sabb, Miranda Cannon, Aubrey Myers, Journey Lawhorn, Thaddeus Jefferson, and Amelie Solis Torres. You can now be seated. Our next group represents outstanding behavior and academics. First, we will start with our STAR ambassadors. These students, they greeted guests when we had events here at the school. You may have seen them at our honor roll celebrations. If you came to read to our students, you may have seen them in our halls, guiding the way. These are our fifth grade STAR ambassadors. Carter Taylor. Sophia Robertson. Aubrey Carson. Tahir Giddings. Jada Flores. Jalen Sanchez Olvera. Andrea Solis. Alexander Galvin. Bella Davis. Diego Tejeda. Kylie Tucker. Freddie Barniga. Amelie Solis Torres. Ashton Fun. Miranda Cannon. Sophia Robertson. And Juana Torres. Let's give our star back. Our very club members. Sophia Acosta Castillo, Jada Flores, Demarion Bacon, Ashton Fun, Kylie Tucker, Sophia Robertson, Amira Myers, Samaya McFadden, Dylan Mejia de Leon, Journey Lawhorn, Jolea Samuel, Jamel White Jr., Amelie Solis Torres, Andrea Salinas, Nathan Sagala, Camila Mancada, Cameron Jones, Jakari Knight, Thaddeus Jefferson, Jonathan Ingram, Janiyah Henderson, Jordan Hall, Matthew Guzman Arias, Dylan Felipe Ajanel, Collins Dominguez Velasquez, Bella Davis, Miranda Cannon, Audrey Carson, Anthony Archie, and Freddie Barniga Portillo. You may be seated, boys and girls. All right, parents, it's that time for your fifth graders to make their walk. Those cameras ready? We will now be presenting the certificates of promotion. Will the students in Ms. Adams' class please stand? Tiani Bennett. Tristan Cohen. Amir Connor Green. Jada Flores. Stephanie Garcia Molina. Emerson Hernandez Gomez. Bain Hernandez Lobo. Cameron Jones. Demarion Macon. Jalen Sanchez Olvera. Holden Scott Rodales. Josiah Sultan. Jeremiah Busey. Guinevere Vertigo. Congratulations, Ms. Adams' class. Will the students in Mrs. Albertine's class please stand? Freddie Ornica Portillo. Samuel Clausen. Lily Dodd. Journey Field. Matthew Guzman Arias. Jonathan Ingram. Chase Jordan. Journey Longhorn. Mia Martinez Olvera. Samaya McFadden. Taylor Ray. Angel Robinson Hare. Andreas Salinas Solis. Zaja Scott. Ariana Valladares Chavez. Jefferson Valle Rodriguez. Congratulations, Ms. Albertine's class. Will Mrs. Olin's class please stand? Anthony Archie. Miranda Kennedy. Aubrey Carson. Justin Cardoza Caballero. Francisco de la Cruz Gutierrez. Gabrielle Harmon. Jakari Knight. Harris Neidner. Belinda Lopez de Leon. Aubrey Myers. Iana Sav. Juana Torres. Kylie Tucker. White, Jr. Congratulations, Ms. Owens Class. You now receive the students in Ms. Smith's class, please stand. Braden Caesar. Melanie Cinto Tomas. Dylan Felipe Ajanel. Ashton Fun. Aldrin Gallagher Noble. Mateo Gonzalez Avila. Zoe Johnson. Daily Mejia de Leon. Camila Ankara. Santiago Montes Adarando. Amira Myers. Sophia Robertson. Nathan John Sedada. Jolea Sanders. Carter Taylor. Yolanda Vasquez Morales. Congratulations, Ms. Smith's class. Will the students in Ms. Walk's class please stand? Sofia Acosta Castillo. Jay Aliman Ortiz. Kaya Brooks. Bella Davis. Collins Dominguez Velasquez. Alexander Galvin. Jordan Hall. Romero and Ward. Ali Sager. Amelie Solis Torres. Diego Tejeda. Esteban Zuniga Carlos. Congratulations to this walk class. Parents, let's give our fifth graders a welcome. Now we will have the presentation of our Light of the Star Award. 3 years ago, we began recognizing one fifth grade student who was an all-around good student academically, socially, and emotionally. Today, it is my absolute pleasure to stand before you and recognize a truly exceptional student, someone we have had the privilege of watching grow from kindergarten to fifth grade. Someone who embodies the very best of what we hope to see in every member of our school community. This student has not only met academic expectations set before them, but has consistently exceeded them. They have maintained an all-A honorable status from 2nd grade through 5th grade, and are also a proud member of Beta Club. Yet their accomplishments extend far beyond academics. Though often quiet in nature, they possess a contagious, positive attitude that brightens classrooms and hallways alike with a warm greeting and a genuine smile. Each day they arrive motivated to learn, participate, and support those around them. In their encore classes, this student demonstrates excellence, not just in performance, but in character. Their behavior sets the standard, and their commitment to doing the right thing, even when no one is watching, does not go unnoticed. They are motivated to learn new concepts and dedicated to their craft. They exemplify our STAR expectations every single day, whether you're showing respect, taking responsibility, acting safely, or rising to challenges. This student leads by example and inspires others to do the same. What sets them apart even further is their natural leadership. They are someone others look up to, not because they demand attention, but because they earn respect through politeness, kindness, empathy, and consistency. Socially, they get along with nearly everyone. They are approachable, thoughtful, and inclusive, qualities that help create a welcoming environment for all. Whether you're a teacher or classmate, this student is someone you remember, not just for what they've done, but for who they are. Please join me in congratulating the 2026 Light of the Star Award recipient, a true role model and a memorable leader, Mr. Matthew Booth. We are at Condor. Our population is constantly changing and shifting. So we're almost a 50-50 African American Hispanic school. And we felt the need to reach out for mentorship for some of our Hispanic students. So we have, our feeder school is Richmond Northeast, and we reached out, Mr. Henderson reached out to Ms. Sherry, and she provided us with two phenomenal young people that they gave up their time, their energy, their efforts to pour into to what started as some of our Hispanic students, which grew to a little bit of everybody, which is what we like. So please join me in thanking and congratulating Fernando and Fabiola for your time. These two young people that will be graduating tomorrow. And now I'd like to turn it over to Mr. Whitehurst for his comments.
Okay, let's give the graduating class another round of applause. I didn't know Matthew was going to make my eyes sweat. Parents, thank you. It's my third time saying it, so 3 times is a charm. Thank you. Congratulations. The climate that we live in today, moments like this, you have to celebrate it. You have to love on your kids. We have to continue to do what we're doing as a village to ensure every single child on this stage or in our school gets to where they need to be. So thank you all so much for entrusting us. Thank you for the emails. Thank you for the conversations. Thank you for the questions, because believe it or not, that's what true family is. We gotta talk, we gotta communicate, we gotta hold each other accountable, and we gotta band together when we need to do that. And you all have done that this year, and all of the awards and accolades that you see our school getting, that's because of the support and love that you've given us. So please give yourselves a round of applause. To the faculty, staff here at Condon, I thank you all. Y'all, I have the privilege of serving some of the best educators, not in Columbia, but in the nation. There's nothing, no goal, no vision that I can give them, and it's at the point that I just give it and I walk away. And then I come back and gotta get instructions on what to do. Because they literally take ownership, and they turn something in my brain and my heart into a living experience for our students, our community, and sometimes the faculty and the staff. So if y'all would, please help me give all of them a round of applause. See, that's what I'm talking about. That's the family. And last but not least, to my 5th grade class, thank you all. Principals shouldn't have favorite classes. They shouldn't. But you all have been a remarkable class. Your personalities, your care for one another, your commitment to academic excellence, meeting the challenge that I gave you all, testing was remarkable, coming around, talking to you all, challenging you to give your best, take your time, and you did that each and every single day. The awards and accolades that we've been able to achieve this year has been off of your back and your hard work. So I leave you with this, and I'll tell you what it means when I'm done reading it. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, and fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? So that snippet is what I want to challenge you with. As you go to middle school, do not dim your light. Be the person that your parents have created you to be. Be the person that we have poured into to groom your talents, your gifts. But be the person that you know you are. Do not follow the crowd. Do not go to middle school trying to fit in. Go to middle school and be the best versions of yourselves. Continue excellence in academics. Continue excellence in the fine arts. Continue excellence in sports or any other extracurricular activity that you have. But the most important thing I want you to take away from today is that the folks in this crowd, they love you, they support you, and they're behind you 100%. So whether you stumble, you have a mistake, or you have success, we'll always be here to support you and cheer you on. So with that being said, it hurts, but I'm so happy to now call you all sixth graders. My name is Board. So parents, I gave the directions. I'll do it again, try my best. Mr. Henderson impersonation. Our students are about to be dismissed. We're going to instruct the chord, and they're going to go back down the middle aisle, and he's watching. Students, teachers, you're going to escort your students directly to your class. Do not stop in the hallway. Please go directly to class. Parents, once we get in the queue, you will be dismissed. You can go directly to your child's class. I like to tell my students, hey, put nicely in the sandbox. It'll take some time, but you'll be able to get your student, you'll be able to take a picture. If you are signing your student out, please see your teacher. They will have a roster there. They're able to sign your students out, and you'll be able to exit out of the rear, or you'll be able to exit off of the side hallways. At that point in time, there shouldn't be any reason that you have to go back to the front office. We're trying to make that way clear. The other part, if you're going out for a family dinner or get together and there's another student here that you want to get, I know she don't mind using her, but for example, Ms. Longhorn has two. So Ms. Longhorn will go grab her fifth grader, and then she'll double back to her fourth grader's class, knock on the door, she'll be able to sign her fourth grader out as well. So she would not have to go back to the front office to do that. In class, please stand. Mr. Martin, stand up. Good, really class, stand up.